hate. I hate. Yes. Spies. I've just restarted it and it works. Or even live. Maybe. Who knows? Well, here's our skyblock. And then we instantly crash, which is always good news. I mean, what even happened there? JEI star overlay help.create bookmark overlay. So I guess the latest version of JEI is completely broken as well. It's not 66. This one? And we'll try again. Please don't crash. Oh. I don't know if I can answer this today. JEI, what version are we using in here? 51. Try that. Install. This is also really good news. I can't see this stream chat. Oh, I saw that. You can share your 185 stream streak. So interestingly, I saw that message, but I didn't see the message before that. Please. Yay. Right. Shall we actually get this on the road? So I can't remember if we decided we were going to make packs or not. I don't think we were. Trouble is, we are gonna need a trader, I think. Early on. I think making packs is a hard one, isn't it? Because probably could use like log sheets as a pack. It's like the paper of a basic pack. This is choosing. Let's just do that. Let's make a pack. I've got a starter pack already, but probably want what would be like a low tier pack. What we could call it? What could we call it? You could go either makeshift pack or I don't know. Temporary make you provisional. Provisional pack, that sounds fine. We'll do that. Provisional. Oh, I like that. That's a different one. Using some sort of strange font. I don't know what this is. Account created 2 minutes ago. It's got to be legit. Oh, I see. I see how it is. Doesn't stream for weeks. And then comes in and steals my spot. That account was already suspended / deactivated. I mean, that's quick. We'll block the how do I block messages again? Create a dashboard. Analytics. Moderation. Settings. Do you have to ban it on stream apps? Oh, I don't know. We'll do it. If it comes up again, we'll do it. So I think we'll go provisional pack. I think that sounds fine. And then we can do a very, very basic loot table. Not loot table. Recipe. Recipes. Still that. Then we go to schema.js because I can't remember what the thing is we actually need. And of course, we didn't add it to the wiki. So we need this. And this will be the visual pack. Because I see that link pop up, I clicked on it to see if I'm at least following it, which I am, so yay on that. Following what? Are you in our stream? Oh, the Patreon account. With 5. And then from this pack, we're going to want dirt, stone, cobblestone, sand, gravel. Doesn't really matter about the rarity here. I think just what we will do. Is that 5? So just for simplicity, we'll try and make it percentages. Oh no, that's not even right, is it? Oops. It's not a percentage. It's a weight. Still fine, I think. They're all the same commonality. We'll just do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And then that should give us just like a basic pack that we can start off with. Off they go again. Years, there we go, dog. Annoying dogs. So we're looking after my sister's dog as well. And thanks very much for the sub. 3 years. 3 years. It's a long time. For a vision. That's done up, it works, so that's not. All dogs are puppies no matter their age. It feels like it with my one. Skyopolis TCG, new pack or previous? Didn't here is it a new Modpack? It is new, yeah. And the idea is kind of insane. Log. So we want to probably change this recipe. If we go for like a stone. I think you're in the boat working on 2 packs. I always have 2 packs, minimum. There's always one in dev, and then always one that is like in testing. As I said the other day, Skyopolis is up. It's literally just waiting for a mod. So right now it's Skyopolis 2, ability lock, and this. And there may or may not be a 4th project, but that's not really Minecraft. Well, I say not really, it isn't Minecraft. So log sheet we can do from. I was going to say logs, but it might have to be strip logs. Log sheet. Log sheet. We'll do right click on is strip logs and tag. Has to be right. KKS and back up from logs. Is C strip logs. When holding a, make it a stone shovel. You should make between Skyopolis and this 2 months at least. Should be. What do you mean should wait 2 months? Stone shovel. Damage held item results is utility log. And that should be it. In-world recipe is helpful. In-world recipe is very helpful. Of course. Log. That one, you said it was like 1,000 Ds. I think it depends. To make players take their time on. Well, just because they've been in work doesn't mean that they're going to be released, right? Fractured come out April 20th, which is almost 4 months ago. What was the pack for that? Submerged? Submerged 2 was actually 8 months ago. They're actually averaging 3 packs a year now, which I did say would happen. We were going to slow down. If I use a Ben mod in a non-Ben pack, then I probably need it. I don't know what that means either. I think I've just been quite slow today. Why is it a shovel chicken hands? Take to make 2 to 3 mods a year. Mod packs is probably around that number now. We did go stupid with silly amounts of mod packs a couple of years ago. But we have slowed down now. Mods, we make more than that a year. There's about 4 or 5 custom ones for K-Box. Then we need to remove this recipe. Copy hiding button, control him. Cheat mode, dev tools. Yeah, mod packs is probably about that. Actually, this needs to move. Why did it paste that? Stop. There we go. And then dot remove that. And save, and that should be fine. Technically, this should be in strainers as well. I mean, mod packs, yeah, there's mod packs there. I would only want you to do 1 a year so you don't get burnt out. I don't think I'd ever do 1 a year. Plus, this is actually my full-time job, so it's not like I don't have time to do it. 4 to 5 is good. The idea is to go for quality more than anything now. Because there was a time when we were doing just too many. What year was it? It was either last year or the year before. We've done quite a lot. Why is Copilot? Hey, welcome. Let's see if that's gone. And we'll just test this for science. Acts and strict. Any of these should work. And of course, it just doesn't work. Why? Where have you reached in the quest book? And we've added like 1 thing. 4 to 5 gives you 2 to 3 months per, which is a lot of time, especially if you're starting on 101 into alpha beta. Yeah, but it's still not enough to do the quality that we want. I don't think. Obviously, the huge help I have at the moment now is we've actually got 2 people to help with packs. In terms of, not really helps with packs. So you've got Sazabi that helps with the maintaining of old packs, which means I don't have to touch anything past. So I still do Fractured and Submerge, but they're going to get handed over soon. when Skyopolis comes out. So I don't touch anything before whatever come before Fractured, before Submerged. And then Opolis 26 is being worked on by someone else, with me doing bits here and there. But the main packs are still just me. And obviously the mod dev is just me. It's just hard to balance out release schedules, really. Because you don't want to try and compete with like an FTB or an all the mods release either. As I say, genuinely, like the Skyopolis is done. It is literally waiting for Skyblock Builder. And after that, I can do the templating and stuff for the spawns. And then it's basically good to go. Why did this actually work? Minecraft axe. That's not the right recipe. This dog, honestly, right? All day, it's been fine. And in the last like half hour, she has not stopped. Running out, just barking. Oh, it needs to be a stone axe, and that's why. Stone. There we go. And then we just need to add the result as empty block. In world recipes. I probably should have made the where's here? I probably should have made like a just the default value for setting to air. Dog's got zoomies. No, she's got being annoying-itis. She feels the need to run around and terrorize me. But then I invite her inside here and she won't come in here. That's the wrong recipe. I am not, my head is not in the game at all today. We needed these. Yeah. Okay, so that does work. Can be used to collect log sheet from Drift blocks. Doesn't need to be a capital C. Using a stone on logs will get some of sheets. And we probably want to change it to like maybe like 2. The second one being a 0.5% chance. Probably do that. As this will be like the initial blocks. So yeah, minimum of 2. And then sometimes 3, that's fine. Make that grey. Yes, we should make this brown. And this brown. And this. And then we're going to make the pack. And I think for the pack, we'll just do. We need to style this. Style. Pack could be something like quite simple recipe. It'll be like original pack and shaped. Then will be probably need something in the middle. And this will be utility of shape. And B nice if we have some curves. It's such a shame they don't look that good. So it doesn't seem to pull from the actual origin. So we could do mini charcoal. Something like that. Why does it like this? Oh, I spelled it charcoal. That'll do it. Then we can make patches. A very basic pack. What will be inside? And here we can do gravel. We can do sand. I think we want to add wolf drops as well. Strainers. Maybe we drop 3 cards. Probably fine. Provisional. It basically means like. Well, let me give you the definition. Oh my god, what is going on? Define provision. A range existent for the present, possibly to be changed later. I'll push back. Yeah, I got a water drop back. But then I think what we want to do is perhaps this would be, so we can either go for 2 options. Go for like a card shredder block where you put the cards in and it shreds them to get the resource out, or it could just be like a crafting recipe. Both are fairly annoying. Because if we go down craft, we have to do the custom craft thing. And if we do a block entity, we've got to do a whole block entity. I'm here ×2. I don't know what that means. Talking too fast for you. I can only apologise. Pick a card pack opener. Oh, actually, we've already got the opener, right? Give them more shops. No, TCG pack opener. Could just use this and just make it work for cards as well. Probably the easiest way. BBLT. My brain not being fully awake, I'm grasping on the shredding of cards together. Yeah, I think an opener probably makes more sense. We might change the name to just an opener. The thing is, we want to do here. It's hard because it won't be a recipe. Because we already did this. This is how you can actually get the contents right. And the dog is going again. We could just do input instance of card. What do I call cards? Trading card. Input of guy, I guess. I don't want to do it like this. Unless we didn't bother with progress. So if the card just goes in, it just makes it. Open trading. Open trading card. And then return. And the card will take in a trading card. This. This would be yes, I guess that's right. Then inventory dot insert. How are we doing insert? Like this. Should copy this. All of this. Right, so it's not for that. That goes. This goes. That stays the same. should be card dot create. I don't know, card dot. Card has. Why is she being stupid? Card's a data construct, right? So it's like card content equals card dot get data card has components dot get. There we go. I understand. Now we've got card stack. And card stack. Now, count. Card stack. Dot. That doesn't do that. And that doesn't do that. We can try this. I think it might be fine. Oh, we need to allow cards in the slot volume. Is pack or is card? This would be that, there, that. And then in the menu, or back into of trading card dot get. And this would be you have to do like that. Maybe that's fine. It's not in today. Why is that not open in? need to replace it, don't we? No, apparently not. What happened now? Definitely slot 0. By level 35, yeah, it's definitely the right slot. What about a stopper? What, man? Am I just being stupid? Let me just remove this. This doesn't take over. That works. Yes. Hey, late one? No. Back slot 0. Upgrade slot 1. You get the resources out of the cards. That's basically it. It's just a different resource generation system. Just must be going crazy. Oh, wait. Think I am. Didn't we discover that this was a bit stupid? Yes, to that instead. What we need to do is change this to this. We need to compare something. Maybe it needs to be that. So put a stupid pack in. Still doesn't work. It can't be that. Maybe that. I'm not sure if that will work either, because I'm not really sure what stack it's comparing it to. Well, I don't understand. Yeah, that works. Okay, so then we can just do the pack, right? So, and then in here, stack just that, and then same here. This needs to be it. It's not. Surely that works. This makes no sense. Yes, it does. Trading card's not even registered as a trading card item. So I can imagine when we fix that, it'll work. So it should just be trading new. properties. And then it's like register item instead. This doesn't need to be a thing either. Sure, it is bugs. Cannot invoke item content because content is null. It can't be null because I can see the item on this. So we seriously have to do like if card dot has actually, yeah, we can do that. What is that? You got someone smashing the window. I reckon there's no content on this card. Which doesn't make any sense. How could it not have any content on it when it's literally rendering it? Unless we don't want to do the card, unless we want to do the item util get stack inventory card dot yeah or dot has. Then pass this instead. Lost. Actually, that should give me an item stack. Maybe that will work. Why did it give me so many? It's pretty OP. That should fix it. Whenever it decides to come back through. So that did work. That works for me, to be fair. I think that's fine. Right, I think we'll call it there for today anyway. Bit of a short one, but we should be back Wednesday. So enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. See ya.